Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zanita, and for those who are new, welcome. So I am coming to you today, or tonight rather, because I am going to try to do a brow tutorial on camera. Yes, we're gonna try this thing out. So today I will be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in the shade dark brown. I don't know if you see that resolution, that light is bar. And I am going to set my brows before with the NYX Mineral Finish Loose Powder, because that's what I like to do when I do my eyebrows. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. guys, so that is pretty much what I do with my brows for the most part, and I do that on a pretty much a daily basis when I know I have to leave the house. But anything other than that, I'm barefaced. But this is it. Like, this is the final results, and what I will do is like clean them up with either Q-tip, and then of course I'll like conceal underneath if I'm gonna wear makeup. But if I'm not gonna wear makeup and I'm just gonna do my brows, then this is pretty much it. But as you can see, like, they might not be identical twins, but they like distant cousins for real. Like, they probably like third or fourth cousins, but I don't know, these look pretty good. They might be second cousins. We'll go with second cousin because they look pretty good for the most part. Alright, so I will have more videos coming to you guys soon. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you've been lurking on this channel for a while, you might as well hit that subscribe button, and make sure y'all hit that notification bell so you will know when I post. And as always, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Until next time, deuces.